Yes, hello guys, welcome back into this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can backup and restore your text messages, your call logs, your contacts on your Android phone. Or is easier and the simple steps that I'm going to show you now in this tutorial. So but let me if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe now, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to start by showing you now how you can do this. You are going to open your Play Store in your Android phone or Apple Store, whatever you want. Once after that, you are going to search in your search bar in your Play Store in application. Also, you are going to search PDF now, like this PDF. So after doing this, it will be PDF. Now after doing this, now you are going to continue and wait for the result. Also, once this result is coming, you are going to see now. So as you can see here now on the displaying application, you can see this one, which is E2PBDF. What you need to do, you need to click here on this application and install it if you didn't not already install it on your Android phone. And after installing this, you're going to click open. Also, if you have already installed it, then open this application. So after opening this application, also you can start procedures and see how you can be using this application. You can see also various also use terms of policies to use this and agreements. Also you need to tick here below on a now icon and click proceed. As you can see now, I click there and click proceed. So means I have agreed with the terms and policies of using this application. Then I click proceed. So after clicking proceed, you can see various options here. There is continue one, click it continue, and there is also some services that are offered here, and you can see SMS, call log, contact, SMS statistics, call log statistics, and you can choose one also you want to backup. So I need to click now here on click to continue to access more options. After that, now I can get their SMS, and these SMSs you can also see the services that I can be using with this application, and I can be choosing one depending on my preferability. What I need to do here is, for example, I'm going to create printable PDF backup of SMS on my Android phone, and I need to click on this SMS. So once I click on this SMS, I click allow because it is the first time that is going to be using my Android phone, and I click allow again also to give the permission to this application. Once this is done, now what I'm going to do is to click on the given message that I want to backup. So I can be wanting to backup this message, for example, is the third one. So because I want to backup that one, I need to click on it. So after clicking on this message, also they are giving me this option, and I click OK. I ignore that message. So as you can see here below, there is now here the enter output file name. This is the output that will be displaying on your backed up or stored files now, or stored folder. Now I click here, for example, message bucket. This is the name also of my backed up message. So now what I need to do after this, I need to click export to PDF. So now after this, it is showing me that I allow it to PDF and backup and also to access photos media. I click allow to give it permission and wait this to convert to PDF. Then I wait to see the result. So it can take some minutes or a few minutes, which is easy and simple to take minutes. So as you can see here now, this message also, this one has also converted each and every message in my Android phone, and you can see all messages also are backed up on the list, and you can be reading all the messages of this contact and in the alerts on these PDF documents. So it's one document, and all messages from this person also are converted on the same document, on the same files. So means you can be converting various rather than rather than one case messages also can be using this, so in easy and simple steps. Please, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and turn the bell button so as we always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. So you can use this to restore backup your contacts, your calls, and your other SMSs and the other you want. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.